What's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. So I hope everybody's enjoying their days. Stuck in traffic, finally cleared up, want to catch up to my speed. Sad thing what happened the other night, man, it really sucked, really bad. As I got off of work, a cop pulled somebody over, got in front of me, I guess, as I was pulling to the gas station, and I was trying to avoid it, like, hitting him directly, and I actually moved over, didn't realize there was a curb there, because I couldn't see it, and hit my curb and scratched my rim. Luckily it's on that, like, outside of the rim where it's not really noticeable, but it's still noticeable to me because I know I hit it. This is what it looks like. Man, this is one of the worst things that can happen. Freaking hit a curb. At least it doesn't look crazy bad, but you can't really see it from there, but yeah. I am really bummed about it. And then not too long ago, I came to a stoplight. It was a line all the way back. So what I went ahead and did is just try to take a shortcut by going through those buildings, and never want to do that again because, I went over a speed bump that was a little too high, and the front half, all I heard is bam. So I'm a little worried about that. I'm actually going to check it as soon as I get home, make sure none got damaged along the way. They really need to lower that speed bump. It's too high. I don't know why I even tried it. I should have just, nope. But yeah. So currently I'm on my way home. But those are the two rough things that I have this week. I didn't upload any videos because I just started working early in the mornings. So I'm trying to get accustomed to doing this and trying to find the right timing, the right, set time for me to start doing little vlogs. Yeah, so today I'm off actually on a Saturday, which I'm loving this, and not really complaining about it, which honestly there's nothing for me to really do. On the way of visiting my old mother, I actually came across a GTR, so I was sitting there driving, and I noticed a car was I could see the hood of the car. Apparently it was in my blind spot, and drove up, and I was like, wait, that's a GTR. I don't know, I get so excited every time I see a GTR or another 370Z, 350Z. I really think the community is awesome. Speaking of a 370Z, there's one right behind me. It's a nice black 370Z. I really like the black color. If I had the option to get black, I would have got black, but I love black. But as I was saying is, I think the community is really awesome, and the people who owns the 370Z, I've noticed, every time I'll pass one, and it's like a car enthusiast, they would flash their headlights or wave and tell me that'll give me thumbs up. I really like that. I really think it's awesome because, that shows, we appreciate each other's car. And then even with the GTR I saw, I was like, yes, I love the GTR. But like I said, first time being in the Z community, it's really awesome. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and focus on getting to the place. I don't want to bore y'all with a lot of talking, and everybody's coming to a complete stop. The car almost hit somebody else. All the way down there. Alright, so I got some not so good news. I actually went ahead and traded in my 370Z for a Stinger. Now I'm like having a like buyer remorse, like I should have just kept my 370 as much as I put into it. So yeah. It's a bummer. But I'll show y'all guys what the car looks like and what color I get. Actually, I'm just pulling a leg. I didn't sell my 370Z. Of course, I would never sell my 370Z. I freaking love that car. That car is amazing. But other than that, I did get a new camera and I tried to do some vlogs on there. And apparently, when I try to roll my my card over to keep my video I posted before, I can't find it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my old camera again and finish this vlog. And I really hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope, if my dog will stay out of the camera's view, she's just trying to get a lot of attention. Stop, Diamond. Thank you. And again, I will never sell my 370Z. Not even someone say, hey, I'll toss in a Type R. Like, I would like to have a Type R, but I'd rather have it as a car collection. So, somebody's going. Go faster! Alright guys, this is an awesome experience. I actually do videos, do vlogs. I actually enjoy it. Again, I know time to time I gotta keep reminding myself to keep up the momentum. I'm trying, I'm working full time, doing early shifts, so it's a little different. Trying to find a routine that sits with my schedule. So, but I will still work on doing my hardest, doing my best on trying to upload a video at least twice a week. If not, still try to keep it at a once a week instead of going with a week without videos. Peace.